asayina izandla izandla wena ngani uzishayela wena ushaya no-cameraman Mr. White and Mr. White watenkemang
Mr. White.
Kimna. Bemeni be like kwena. Just like boso kemang kwena. So Mr. White watenkina. So people who don't know who Mr. White is, this is me. So without any waste of time, angihambing one and family alone. Ngihamba nentokazi. It sounds nice. Now that I've been watching The Wife, it sounds nice to call a lady by the name Ntokazi. Sanibona wentokazi.
Yebo.
Ngale nge-height or nge-age?
However you want to start.
So anyone introduce yourselves. Tall,
Tall and short.
Tall and young, and
Okay.
short and old.
Umbali Qwema lona ngihamba no Mr. White.
Away.
Hi everyone, my name is Kukuletu. So I'm with Mr. White.
So every time you introduce yourselves, there's that song Kukule. Should you always feel like you are related to DJ Banban?
Nah.
But I need to not metric last year.
Yeah.
So every time Kala Liangoma, did you have your fellow classmates singing Kukule behind you?
Yes.
How did you feel?
It was nice, dope.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was dope, Shem.
Like usitlasini omunye akubona futhi wenza matric ingane zandlula like Google it when you are sitting there you're like this is nice and imagine the classmates start going like Google it and the teacher is sitting there kwaze kwamnandi bo khona la arta okay nonsense.
No ways.
How can you have Google it? And then there's a song about Google it too, and then where there was a song about Bam Shovumba. Oh, but something more. And have you noticed all the songs about Timbalis have got sex inside?
Exactly. I don't know why
That's
then.
just a snack.
I'm Mbali,
Hey, you Mbali.
Mbali, aka sexuality.